So hello, welcome to another video from me. An unboxing. I just received this today and I'm happy to have it. It's costing 2.5 months before I got this package, but finally it arrived. So let's open up and see what's in. Of course I know what's in there. There are 4 albums in there, but I want to keep it a bit secret for you. This is sharper, so it's better. So 4 albums. The first album is Blackfield 2. It's an album from 2006, I believe. This is a reissue. So a nice photograph, I think, of Carl Glover. It's from my collection, Steven Wilson. I will come back later. Second album that's in here, it's Plectrum Electrum, Prince and Third Eye Girl. The third album, another of Prince, Artificial Age. Those 2 albums were brought out at the same time, I think 2014. And the last but not least is Opeth, Watershed. Music on vinyl, I see. So different kind of music, because I like different styles. So let's see what's in there. First, Opeth. I like this band a lot. It's on Roadrunner Records. It's a reissue. It came out in 2018. Already with a nice sleeve, I see. I have this one on CD, so I know the music. And I like this album a lot. Maybe one of the best. Inside, the back side. Some nice riffs. And then Burden, it's a very, I must say, a Pink Floydish end it has, but with the guitar work. I went to several concerts of Opeth and oh wow, this is on a gold vinyl. Double album. Watershed. Nice inner sleeve. The other is the same, I think. I see there is. Oh, there are some. It's very nice. And some kind of posters. I didn't know what was in here. Don't think it's gonna get it on the camera. You see a double. It's folded out. Back is the band. Nice. This one. It's the other side. It resembles, for me, it's the same like some artwork of Porcupine Tree, but it's not the same artist who makes the artwork. Also. And the back side with some credits, I think. Opeth, very nice album, Watershed. Then we have Prince. Yeah, why Prince? I'm a collector since many years, but the last 10 years I didn't like Prince anymore. But I went to a concert of MPG this year and I must say it triggered me again to listen to Prince, and yeah, Prince stays a big artist for me. You have to like his voice and his music, but he can play everything from drums to piano to guitar, everything. He sings, he makes his own songs, he produces other artists, so I think it's a great artist. He was a great artist. Double for Gatefold, it's not a double album, or it is. Here are the songs. I don't know this album very well. I'm not the kind of Prince lover who likes the ballads, but there is some funky music on it. Inner sleeve. With the label Side A. MPG Records, I said Warner Brothers. And Side 2 on black vinyl. Don't pick out the other album if there is something inside. No, there's nothing inside. So Prince Art Official Age. Which year is it from? It's from 2014. And the next album is also from 2014. With a band Third Eyed Girl. So 3 ladies. And I must say I listened to it on my computer just, and very funky bass playing and music making. Nice on the cover, nice photograph. I don't know the names of the players. And here you see Prince with his afro hairstyle. And this is the way you see almost the whole album. Some singing from the ladies. And of course the music is from the inner sleeve with the label Third Eye, 3 eyes. The back side, the songs. So see if there's nothing in there. No. Oh yes, there is something in there. Photograph. And with all the songs on the lyrics from the songs. And the back side with a symbol. So I have a lot of music from Prince, a lot of bootlegs from Prince, a lot of singles. I didn't collect the vinyl, so I have almost everything on CD, but not on vinyl. So maybe that's a nice collecting, nice to collect. Blackfield. Listened to it yesterday, Blackfield 1 and 2, and I like those 2 albums the best. Blackfield has 5 albums, and it just came out a double album with the hits, but not really hits, but the best of Blackfield. I saw them once in a concert, Blackfield, and once I saw Aviv Geffen playing Blackfield. And I like the songs, short songs with a head and a tail, very nice. It's not an gatefold with the advertising from other albums from K-Scope. So I almost like every song on this. I think 1 and 2 are the best because Steven Wilson plays a great role in it. This album, Marvin Geffen wrote the most of the songs and the music, but on almost every track Steven Wilson has a great role in it. Lyrics, photograph from 11-12 years ago, so they both are very young on this one, I think. And the vinyl. A-side. And the B-side. So, that's from now, in the unboxing today from a very hot Holland, 26 degrees outside, so very nice weather. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe till the next time. Bye bye.